Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a really easy 3-ingredient blueberry jam using frozen blueberries. And I've written a blog post which I'll leave down below, which has the recipe, step-by-step instructions and loads of ideas for variations and ways to enjoy the jam, so click through for that. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give this a try and what you think of it. So the ingredients you'll need are frozen blueberries. I've got a whole bag of frozen blueberries over here I got from Aldi, so it's super budget friendly, and then you can make this all year round. Whenever you go to Aldi or supermarket, just grab yourself some frozen blueberries. I'm using chia seeds to thicken it up. I love making jam with chia seeds, and then it's just extra nutrition. It thickens it up, it just makes it beautiful texture and flavor and everything. And then it's up to you to sweeten what you'd like to use: sugar, stevia, honey, maple syrup. It is up to you, but I'll have it all in the blog post down below. So let's get cooking. Start by popping all the blueberries into a small saucepan. My bag was 400 grams, which is a little bit under a pound, but really just use any size bag you want, and then it'll just depend on how much chia seeds and sweetness you add. But I have got them all in a saucepan here. You don't need to add anything to them, because as they thaw out they release juices and liquid, and it all just becomes lovely and jammy then. So pop it on the stove top over medium heat, and then slowly they'll start breaking down and cooking. So it's only been a few minutes, and just kind of keep stirring it. You can see it's already starting to release liquid, but yeah, just keep a close watch and keep stirring. It's barely been a few minutes, and you can see it's already broken down more. You can use the back of your spoon to squash the bigger blueberries down, and really just keep cooking until they're all soft and easily mashable. I'm happy that the blueberries are soft enough now, so I'm going to take them off the heat. And now I'll swap the spoon for a potato masher, and I'm going to mash all those blueberries so we've got a nice smooth jam. If you want, you could actually use a stick blender or wait for it to cool a bit and pop it in a blender, but I'm quite happy just mashing, so we've got bits of blueberry as well. I like to add in the sweetness now while it's still warm. I'm going to go for 1/4 cup. Just depends on how sweet you want your jam to be, and also how sweet your berries are. So we'll just mash the sugar in. There you go, I'm happy with that. So I've moved the masher off, and now we're going to add in chia seeds, 1/4 cup of chia seeds, and then just stir the chia seeds through. Making sure they're all submerged in the jam. Okay, now just allow it to cool before you pour it out into jars, which I will do next. So just leave it for a good half hour, which I've done. You can see it's thickened beautifully, it's cooled to room temperature, and now I'll just pour it out into a jar. So I've just got a jar here, and I'll pour the jam in. And you can see the beautiful jar full of homemade blueberry jam with frozen fruit. It is just such a lovely way to make jam, and I'll pop in the blog post down below loads of ways to enjoy the jam, so click through for that. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give the jam a try and what you think of it. So yeah, I'm just going to pop this into the fridge to thicken a little more, and then just use it within a few days. Never really lasts a week, but it would last a week at most in the fridge now that you've made it. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.